I purchased the double 60mm fans to cool off a very hot running Xbox One X. I have an open face, floating, wall mount, entertainment center. I noticed the Xbox was always extremely hot, almost too hot to touch. So I gave this a shot and I'm so glad I did. It was easy to install, however. I did a little test and plugged it into the Xbox USB ports and checked airflow on high. I then plugged it into the included wall adapter and checked airflow on high. The difference was significant. High on the USB was equivalent to low on wall. I strongly recommend plugging this into the wall or surge protector. I then put my Xbox on a makeshift lift. See image. I just used 4 equal in size pieces of plastic to raise the Xbox and provide better airflow. That has worked out tremendously well. The Xbox barely puts off any heat at all now. I highly recommend AC Infinity fans. Thank you AC Infinity. This has probably just saved the life of my overpriced electronic. I use these fans to help vent the heat from my camper's refrigerator. So far, I've used them on one trip where the daytime temperatures were around 80 degrees and they seemed to work great. There was very little heat that built up around the top vent and the refrigerator cooled very well. I used these fans on the highest speed and they are very quiet. I actually would have liked a higher speed to move a little more air. The fans connected very easily to the camper's vents with small bungee cords and were easy to remove and store when not needed. The wires between the fans were long enough that I could have mounted one fan on the lower vent blowing in and one on the top vent blowing out without any problem. I'll keep using them and see how the refrigerator performs when the outside air temperatures are above 90 degrees. I am very happy with this purchase and recommend them for an easy, quiet solution in problem ventilation areas.